What type of finish should I use on a guitar? Oh, this is a hard one. There is a staggering amount of choices when it comes to finishing not only guitars, but really any woodworking project. There's so many different options and different ways you can go. You can go with oil-based, water-based, and it's overwhelming sometimes. So I would say the type of finish that you put on your guitar is the finish that you want to put on your guitar, if that makes any sense. If you want just a plain oil finish so you can feel the wood, then use an oil finish. If you want to go more traditional with a nitrocellulose lacquer type finish, then by all means go for it. Wear proper safety gear when you do. If you want to do a more eco-friendly water-based finish, go for it. I've done a combination of all of these, and the type of finish you use is up to you.